Today we're going to do something a little silly. We're going to shoot a Breitling.
All right.
And here's our choices. We have a couple Movados, but I said a Breitling, right, didn't I?
You want to shoot the Rolex?
No, not today. Let's see. There's a,
This Breitling?
you know, I got this Mercedes watch. It wasn't expensive, but I picked that up in Rome.
No, but we're shooting one of these Breitlings.
Okay. How about this one?
Let's do it.
It's got a big face. I might hit it.
Might hit it.
Breitling.
I think you can hit 50 yards. We were shooting
hold
a
that for
pistol
me?
at 50 yards last time.
See, should I staple this?
See what
See
happened.
we did. Nice.
Dead
Nice. Well, I don't know how. Look at the pieces are over here. This thing right here. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. Hold on a second. Oh my
What you got
gosh.
there?
Oh. All right. Well, there it is.
That's the face.
Maybe next time we'll do a tag.